to install Windows 10 on your Mac? Check if Secure Boot setting is full security. If your Mac is turned on, shut it down. Turn on your Mac, and when you see the Apple logo, press and hold the Command and R keys on your keyboard to boot the recovery mode. Then click on Utilities in the upper menu and select Startup Security Utility. You should see the option Enter Mac OS Password. Select it and enter your Mac's password. If not yet selected, click on the circle next to Full Security. Download Windows 10 ISO file. Go to our guide link below to find a link for the Windows 10 disk image file. Under Select Edition, click on the drop-down menu, select Windows 10, and click on Confirm. Then under Select the product language, click on the drop-down menu, select your language, and click on Confirm. Select the appropriate download. If you don't know which one is suitable for your Mac, click on the Apple logo and select About this Mac. Check your processor. Then go to the Apple support page linked in our guide to check which version of Windows 10 to download. Click on Allow to save the file. Install Windows 10 on your Mac. Open the Boot Camp Assistant. When the window pops up, click on Continue. Wait for Boot Camp to automatically locate the Windows 10 ISO file. If the Boot Camp can't find it, select the downloaded ISO file to add it. If you're asked to insert a USB drive, plug your USB flash drive into your Mac. Then click on Continue. Enter Mac's password, and wait until the Windows partition is created. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the Windows installation and setup. For more information, visit our guide linked in the description box. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history, and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.